Hello and welcome back to Switch and Lever. Recently I did something I've been wanting to do for a really long time. A weekend course on blacksmithing. This is not an instructional video or even a build-along, but rather just a relaxing time in the forge, lighting fires and hammering metal. Our story starts on a small island in the middle of Stockholm. Somewhere past the royal palace, beyond the torpedo factory and the pigeon with a stone-eating mania. Just by the water there's a small forge as part of Skeppsholmsgården Folk High School. It is here I, your humble narrator, will leave you, to enjoy the sights, the sounds and the atmosphere. In the end, I did make a few objects. A bunch of nails, a hook and a bottle opener. I tried to make a small bell, but in the end I was only partially successful. Either way, what I learned during these 2 days truly whet my appetite for more. I truly hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed blacksmithing. If you're curious, I would definitely recommend you to look for a course near you. And if you're so inclined, check out some other videos from Switch and Lever and follow along on Instagram for more exciting updates. Until next time!